Volkswagen has unveiled the new Amarok. The second generation Amarok is built on the Ford Ranger platform, with which the novelty shares not only the platform but also the engine lineup. The pickup truck will receive 4 diesel and 1 gasoline engine, as well as a new 10-speed automatic. The teaser campaign dedicated to the new Volkswagen Amarok lasted more than 2 years. Now it's the turn of the debut of the German brand pickup truck. The new Amarok has been created by Volkswagen Technical Centers in Germany and Australia. It will be available in single and double cabs. In the later case, the length compared to the first generation has increased by 96 mm up to 5350 mm, and the wheelbase is now 3270 mm plus 173 mm. Shortened overhangs provide better geometric cross-country ability. The fording depth has increased from 500 to 800 mm, and the carrying capacity has increased from 1 ton to 1.6 tons. A standard Euro pallet can be placed in the body of a car with a double-row cabin and 2 with a single-row cabin. The load is fastened with straps through eyelets, each of which can withstand up to half a ton. Permissible static loads on the roof is 350 kilograms. There are enough external differences from Ford. The new Amarok does not look like a Ranger clone. Of the external panels from Ford, only the roof was taken unchanged. The rest of the Amarok is original. Even the elements of the doors are unique. Although the configuration of the stamping is similar to the Ranger, the model has a different radiator grille, and the headlights of the original form visually merge with it. Interconnected by thin strips along the upper and lower borders of the head optics. For a surcharge, customers will be offered matrix headlights. A large X-shaped element is visible in the front of the pickup truck. It is made either under chrome or from unpainted plastic, depending on the version. The base versions were equipped with 17-inch steel wheels, while the top versions received 21-inch alloy wheels. The model received a new, more austere interior compared to the Ranger, in which the trim and equipment level depend on the version. On the front panel in the center is a multimedia touchscreen. In base, it is 10 inches. For more expensive options, 12 inches. The system is a modified version of Ford Sync 4. The display allows you to control the climate control system, navigation system, various online services, parking assist, and car settings. Another second Amarok received an 8-inch virtual tidy, a Harman Kardon premium audio system, and an expanded set of driver assistants. The range of engines for the new Amarok will consist of 4 diesel and 1 petrol unit. In the African market, the base RWD pickup is equipped with a 150 PS 2.0 TDI. Next comes the 4 with 170 horsepower and a 2-liter TDI with 2 turbochargers with a return of 204 or 209 forces. The most powerful of the diesels will be the 3.0 V6, developing 241 or 250 forces. The petrol turbo engine is 2.3 EcoBoost, issuing 302 horsepower. All motors over 200 HP are combined only with a 10-speed automatic. Less productive units work in conjunction with a 5 or 6-speed mechanics or a 6-band automatic. Like Ford, there are 2 all-wheel drive transmissions to choose from. A classic part-time with a rigidly connected front end and permanent all-wheel drive with a center differential. The trim list will include 5 options: the base Amarok, the slightly more expensive Life and Style, the off-road Pan Americana, and the top-end Aventura. Production will start this September at Ford's plant in South Africa, next door to the Ranger. Which of the related pickups do you like the best? Amarok or Ranger? Write your options in the comments. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel.